Welcome everyone, I'm Dr. Fluff. We are live here at Clearwater Beach, in which we have a spectacular beach football game today. It is the Pink Floaties versus the Skins. We'll take it down to the field. Dr. Fluff live, we'll try to get a little bit of commentary and take it down to the field and see exactly what we have going for you. See if we can get some of the football game, and then we'll head back to the studio as a number of these players, possible D1, D2, D3, D18 recruits. But we'll see. Let's see if we can get some of the plays here, and then we'll edit that up. Let's see who's got the speed. As this is Clearwater Beach Madden edition. As there's the catch, a lot with the body, two hands. So let's see exactly if we can get any additional footage here. What down is it? What down is it?
It's third down. What's
it's
up?
third down. Hey. So third down. Hey. All right, first and goal, Clearwater Beach. Shirts versus Skins. Let's see what we got. All right, we've got 5 receivers going out. Oh, look at that. Oh, snap. Look at that. Second down. It's all good. There was a lot of pressure on him, so we'll see exactly what we can get. We got the Thundercats versus the Bulls. Let's see what we got here. Second and goal. Defense is looking sharp. Oh, 4 receivers on the slant. Looking all over the place. Oh, with the contact. Look at that. Third down. A lot of pressure on the QB. Oh, snap. Oh, yeah, look. Flag on the play. Possible offsides. Oh, from the backfield. Oh, fourth down. Let's go. Fourth down. Let's see exactly what they're going to be able to do. The defensive backs, a lot of pressure here. Fourth down, you can see their captain in the background. Free safety, blitz. Oh my God! Oh, with the pressure, let's go. Turnover. Turn that ball. Turnover on downs. Oh no, you good. Who's quarterback? Hey, look at that for the good luck. There we go. We got the Thundercats versus the Bulls.
You're the biggest guy here about to score team.
All right, let's see. We got the QBs in the slant. We got coming from the backfield. We've got runners all over the place. We've got a long bomb all the way down. Oh, my. Look at that. Good throw. Really going to need some traction there. We're definitely going to need some traction. Second down. The power of the Pink Floaties. We've got the Pink Floaties versus the Bulls as they're trying to cheat up a little bit. The line of scrimmage is back there a little bit, but we'll see exactly what happens here. Second down. The guy that dropped it? I mean, the throw was good, but, second down. See what you got. As it was tough coming back here. We've got one on the right, QB, no pressure at all. Oh, he's throwing bullets out there. Look at that. Let's see, third down. Huh? Trash can's first down? All right. Third and trash can. There we go. Third and about 15, give or take. It's the Pink Floaties versus the Bulls. Let's see exactly what we got going here. Third down, a lot of pressure. The defense is ridiculous. Here we go. We got 3 on the right. We got 2 on the left. Quarterback, no pressure at all. We've got a button hook and a loop. Look at that. Still no pressure at all. Seagulls all over the place. Oh, can we get the cat? Oh, get that out of here. Fourth down. Just like that. And here we go. We got a huddle. No huddles. Fourth down. Fourth and trash can, everyone. Let's see what we got here. A lot of pressure. Seagulls all over the place. Fourth and trash can. We got one in the backfield. A little bit of confusion in the back. Let's see exactly what we got going here. We've got a guy all the way down trying to go for the touchdown area. And we got a runner just like that, everyone. We got a little bit of confusion here. So are they going to reset that? Let's see if they reset that. All right, still fourth down. There we go. All right, here we go. Fourth down, fourth and trash can as they keep creeping up early. Pink Floaties versus the Bulls. Here we go.
There we go. Way in front of the, oh, look at that. Passing that ball. Even though he passed the line of scrimmage. All right, here we got D1 recruit right here on the right side. What's your name, sir? Jordan. Oh, D1 recruit Jordan. Oh, look at the eye contact with the quarterback. We've got a flanker in the back. Oh, he says he's on lockdown. Oh!
All right, and let's showcase the instant replay here with the Seagulls in the background. Jordan, D1 recruit here on the left DB. He's going all the way straight towards him. Lost in the sauce. The speed is ridiculous. Look at the actual distance that he has and the eye contact with the quarterback. Eyes on the football. Seagull in the air. And at this point, this is when the DB, the actual safety, knew he messed up. D1 recruit with the sand on his back. It's not a game at all.
We told you what Jordan was gonna do. Where's touchdown? Second cone. All right, let's see what happens here. Pink Floaties trying to get on the board. Oh, we got to cut. Oh, snap! Lost him. The quarterback didn't see it, though. Hey! And just like that, the Pink Floaties up on the Bulls. Yeah! Nice. That was wonderful. Very wonderful. Outstanding game. Clearwater Beach. It was super serious, as one thing you're gonna notice is when you're on Clearwater Beach, you never know what's gonna happen here.